this institution. Okay, as you can see, it is a small school in the rural area. Okay, I work here since 2011. I teach from grades 6 to 11, and as you can see, this is one of the students' works. In this case, it's an advice, and they show us and express their ideas in order to get a familiar English. This region is known by his natural resources. It is very beautiful. It has a lot of wonderful resources, and as you can see, if you follow me, I can show you the Bordones Waterfall. It is the second highest in South America. Okay? Follow me, please. Those are the mountains in the department of Huila. Over there, as you can see, we can show my dear students' houses. They live there, and they spend approximately 1 hour to get and to go from their houses to the school. 1 hour. It is very beautiful region because it has a lot of natural, beautiful resources. As you can see in the waterfall of Bordones, it's the second highest in South America, and another places that you can show lead step by step. This is the water. Okay. It has approximately 400 meters of highest. Stop. Okay, those are the mountains. As you can see over there, there are a little small houses in which my dear students live. Approximately, they walk 1 hour to their houses to the school. 1 hour approximately by foot. This is a very beautiful region. For that reason, we have the waterfall of Bordones, the lake of Waterfall, and another beautiful resources that you can see in my video. And so I hope that you know more about my project. Okay, these are the mountains in the department of Huila. My dear students live in that places. Okay, and they walk through all this part to arrive at the school. Approximately 1 hour by foot. Another students 40 minutes, and the nearest students is approximately 30 minutes. The Department of Huila has a lot of natural resources, and this is specifically promoted by their natural resources. We have a lot of wonderful in the touristic place. Hasta ahí. Okay, so for that reason, my project consists in to show the beauty of the natural resources. Here we have advice made for the students, in which you can see which are the natural resources that we have in the touristic place. We have a lot of touristic places. As you can see, we have the lake of Waterfall, the Bordones Waterfall, the Arch of the Jarras, and others. Thank you. It is a very touristic place. For that reason, we have the Bordones Hotel. As you can see, it's very beautiful. I think that you have a lot of things to know. So for that reason, I will hope that you choose my project. Thank you.